Hello, guys. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to our weekly recap of the crypto markets. How you all doing? I hope you are holding up because this week was wow. What we are seeing right now is one of the heaviest bearish phases in years. And as always, I'm with Rafa. Rafa, hello. How are you doing?
Hello, Dimitro. I'm doing good. Thanks. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another live session. Yeah, this is not just a red day, as you say, Dimitro. This is
Yeah.
a this is a full scale washout. Bitcoin is collapsing like a sandcastle under a wave. Liquidations everywhere, accounts blowing up, retail traders panicking, and honestly, it's getting emotional out there.
Yeah, I hope Rafa you didn't get liquidated.
Some of
Last
my
few days.
position did, yeah.
Oh yeah, it happens. Yeah, and many people actually don't realize this, but what we're facing is almost identical to that nasty squeeze from October 10. Yeah, we can
Yeah,
show it on the chart. We can see that,
yeah,
yeah, big red
yeah.
spike.
Look at this. Yeah,
Yeah, so it looks like the same aggression, same trap, and maybe even worse.
yeah. Right that you mentioned the last flash crash. Let's put
Yeah.
things to perspective before jumping into the charts and analyze them. Guys, in my opinion, this is not a normal dump. This is a technical squeeze.
Yeah, so this really looked like a complete structural reset of the market. And yeah, when Unchained data shows billions in long liquidations in a few days. So you know you are really inside the hurricane. And what's even more interesting, Rafa, for that?
Yeah, almost all of these liquidations are coming from retail traders, guys, the weakest hands. That is because most of retail traders use high leverage, zero risk management, complete overexposure. So same pattern every single cycle. And as Dimitro just mentioned, the flash crash was only 1 day, but this drop is happening in several days, so it's even worse than the last flash crash. Enough theory. Let's get straight into the chart. Pull up Bitcoin here on the daily 1 day time frame. I draw some interesting zone to keep an eye on. You see, guys, here the 95K order block where we have a volume mass. Bitcoin right now is just breaking down. Before in the previous bullish impulse, we have seen an accumulation phase here that created this volume and then leg up that kept the move to the upside. But right now we just break straight the 95K order block. The next target is the 82, 81K level. What do you
Yeah, and
think?
I'm seeing right now this order block at 95K, and it looks like it's completely destroyed. Yeah, I mean, it was very important level, I think, and we didn't get even no bounce, no hesitation, and no reaction. So yeah, price just destroyed this, and I actually believe that that was really decent level, and actually I expected the rebound from that, but we didn't get it. What do you think, Rafa?
Yeah,
Why
me
is it?
too. Me too. Yeah, I remember last time we had the same recap live session, and I highlighted this key zone, and my expectation was like a consolidation phase here, maybe a technical rebound, and then see downside. to this level, but it didn't stop here. He's just falling like a knife. So when a level gets ignored like this, it means the market is not choosing direction, is reacting to liquidations. So the engine is running on forced selling, not real selling. I think here there were many stop losses. They just got liquidated immediately.
Yeah, they just vanished. So yeah, it
Yeah,
means
they just vanish.
yeah. So it means that we got we just destroyed this order block level because of the liquidation. Yeah, I mean it
Yeah,
was
yeah,
really fast. Yeah, and I mean overall we can say that liquidations hit the book at market price. I think,
yeah.
and when those cascades price slices through levels, as if they weren't even there. So yes, that's why it happens.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I agree with you. I agree. So, what is next, guys? The next major technical target, as I say, is around 80K. This zone you see the massive volume, and honestly, we are not that far. We are not that far. So, if the selling pressure continues, like this, it could be reached in a single session, or I mean, in few sessions. But guys, we have to be very careful and pay attention because this level is a very important and key support zone. So here the game is made. I expect. Uh,
Yeah.
a fall in here, and then yeah, a consolidation to see some buyers stepping in. Now volumes are rising because guys, let me zoom out. If we lost, if we are going to lose this level here, there is nothing. We just go straight to 60K because there is no volume here. Dimitro, I'm so scared.
Yeah,
I'm so
yeah, me too.
scared.
I'm just seeing on that. Yeah. So you expect so as soon as we get yeah, if yeah, first of all, if we get to that 80K level, we will go long or short. What do you think? I mean, I think there is gonna be rebound because there is a really big volume. I mean, even bigger than at 95K. So yeah, I think we could rebound from that level.
Yeah, yeah, I hope that too. But I mean, I will not go straight long. I
Yeah.
need to have more confirmation. Let's see first if the sentiment will switch to more bullish and more positive mood, because right now this is a very technical squeeze. So retail traders, they are vanishing. I have to see buyers and especially whales stepping in here on these levels. So it's too early to decide direction yet, but we have to be very very careful. So
Yeah, sure.
let's switch to altcoin and have a look also on the major cryptos, what they are doing, because they are not looking healthier.
Yeah, let's
Let
start from Ethereum. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go with Ethereum. Okay, I have some indicator open here.
Trader things.
Let's move to 4 hour chart. Let's see, Ethereum actually is even worse, because if we measure the drop from the last peak, it is down like 30%, while Bitcoin is 27, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
So
So
Ethereum,
we
of
can
course.
say that Ethereum is really under serious pressure. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So it's really losing structural floors one after another. And yeah. And what about actually Solana? Can we see Solana?
Yeah, let me open Solana.
Okay.
Oh, no, 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 no. This is wrong. Sorry, my keyboard is
It's
a bit
okay.
Oh, what the? Okay. My
It's
keyboard is
perfect.
just because I have a small keyboard. My laptop is not that.
Yeah,
Okay,
what's
Solana
happening?
is not
Oh,
uploading.
what's happening with Solana?
We just mentioned
we,
Solana
we,
and
yeah,
it
we
disappeared.
lose Solana.
We lose Solana. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Let's
Okay. Let
move
me
then.
refresh the page. Let me refresh the page. Just few seconds, guy. Let me refresh the page. Let me put Solana
Oh,
again.
Cloudflare still have problems or what?
Yeah, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was so embarrassing about
Yeah.
Cloudflare. Everything down.
Okay, let me check Solana from my
ChatGPT
area.
down.
Yeah,
Everything.
everything. I didn't even think that one
Okay. Let
service.
me use the terminal. I think terminal is working well. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's use the terminal here.
Yeah, so we can also see that Solana as well, yeah, losing momentum, and yeah, its trend structure is really is breaking down. Yeah, we can see and that's yeah, Solana really losing momentum, and we oh my god, big one, very big.
46, almost half of the
Yeah,
half percent of the
yeah,
price, and we are reaching also this very key support, this floor at 115. So basically we are going back to the level of 24 February, February 2024. So yeah, I mean, people keep asking which altcoins are holding up, which ones are safe. What do you answer, Dimitri, about this
yeah.
question?
I really think almost none because yeah, the only one showing a tiny bit of resilience comparing to the general massacre is, in my opinion, is Litecoin, and right now we are going to this chart because yeah, I just checked that today, and yeah, I really think that this one, yeah, I mean we can see that
Yeah,
this is, I mean, flat, yeah, not that.
yeah. I mean, actually, yeah, you are right. I don't know why Litecoin is not that popular and is one of the minor altcoins, but actually it didn't drop that much from the peak. Let's see. Yeah, 28. I mean, less than Ethereum and Solana. So almost like Bitcoin. But compared to the other altcoins, yeah, Ethereum is quite flat,
Yeah,
except
it's look,
for the flash
yeah.
crash.
Yeah, yeah. It looks like actually it's moving in a range. I mean, a big range, pretty
Yeah,
big range, but yeah, it looks like that actually. And yeah, and everything else is like literally pure blood. So yeah, we yeah, something like that actually.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, liquidity has evaporated from altcoins, guys. They are basically moving in sync with Bitcoin's volatility spikes, and there is almost always a sign of market distress and disasters.
Yeah. So we can pull up to the liquidation chart. What do you think, Rafa?
Oh yeah, yeah. Let's move to this interesting chart.
Yeah, so this is actually where the heart of problem lies. So yeah, we can see the long liquidations. Yeah, can we see that actually? So yeah, this one
Yeah,
is in green. Yeah, it's long liquidation.
yeah. The green bars are the long liquidations.
Oh my God,
Look
so
at these
so much.
numbers. Look at these numbers. So
Yeah,
this one is the worst cascades we have seen in years. I mean, the chart tracks all the long liquidation since 2023, so 3 years. But as you can see, guys, on November for or let me okay this 14 of November, we have seen the highest long liquidations ever, 10,400 of contracts. So that means almost 2 billions, like of course, over 1 billions of liquidation, and the one that happened on 10 of October, the flash crash, liquidations were 9,300. So now we have reached a peak on long liquidation. So billions wipe out in just few days. Dimitro
Yeah,
is crazy, huh?
yeah, and I don't think actually that there was only spot position, yeah, because almost all of this position were retail traders, and they're definitely using insane leverage, yeah, 20,
Yeah.
30, 50, and it's not trading, it's suicide, and it's look like a gambling, yeah, because the bigger leverage we know, yeah, it's a bigger risk definitely, and we can really see that this long liquidation is actually that's why we have that big because of these leverages.
Yeah. You are totally right. Absolutely correct. Because, guys, if we just have a quick look at like 2023 to 2024, at the end of 2024, there was some spike on long liquidation, but they were not exaggerated like this. I mean, look, recently, as Dimitro said, I think retail traders are using too much leverage, and Binance and Bybit got hit the hardest. Two exchanges where retail leverage is always the highest. So no surprise there. No surprise.
Yeah, and now actually, yeah, let's move to the macro side because yeah, this week was anything but pretty quiet. So can we have something, Rafa?
Yeah. So for the macro side, we have some news expected for next week, but I would like to show you first this sudden Fed meeting with Wall Street banks. So first major event of this week, we had this unexpected meeting between the Fed and the major Wall Street banks to discuss liquidity risk due to tightening monetary conditions.
Yeah, and we can say so when the Fed calls a sudden meeting with the banks, it's never for a friendly coffee, as we know that. It usually means yeah, something is breaking beneath the surface. So what do you think, Rafa?
Yeah. Markets react instantly, and this meeting was quite unexpected. So that means something is boiling in the pot, and let's see next meeting Fed what is really happening, because the market is reacting with equities down, crypto down. So risk on assets in full retreat, and that is not a good sign. So let's see what happened really in during this meeting, what they say to each other.
Yeah, and tomorrow actually we finally receive unemployment and non-farm payroll data after
Yeah.
weeks of delay due to the shutdown. So yeah, it's going to be tomorrow exactly.
Yeah, tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. on European time. As we can see, we have a forecast of non-farm employment change expected to be 55K, so above the previous data, and unemployment rate same 40.3%. So let's see tomorrow. Forecasts suggest stability, but if we get worse numbers, volatility will explode again. So be careful, guys.
Yeah, and that's totally right. And yeah, what happens actually last few days? What Eric Trump is doing, Rafa? You saw that? I mean,
Yeah,
he's
I okay. So let's say I'm not sure if it is true or not, if it's fake news, but actually Eric Trump is selling all his crypto portfolio. So it is a huge macro level change. So not too much, but physiologically it's powerful, because when someone with influence like him exists to publish this kind of post, it triggers smaller ways and retail into panic. So I don't know what is happening on the Trump in Trump family, but that is what I have read in the previous days, guys. I don't know if you have any idea if it's fake news or if it's true, but I don't know, Dimitro. It's quite shaking,
Yeah,
as
yeah,
a
yeah,
news.
yeah. And actually, uh, first react. I mean, the fastest was reacting retail traders, and as always, yeah. And yeah, I mean, the all news from from Trump family is influence crypto very much, I think. I mean, it's
Yeah, yeah, that's true. All right, let's get back to our Altrady and let's have a look on the market sentiment on the market explorer. So right now the market sentiment is completely dominated by fear. You can see we are in extreme fear sentiment. The index is showing the level of 15, and panic selling, as we can see, and liquidation drive volatility. So Dimitro, what do you think about the sentiment on the
yeah, I
fair
think there
value
is
index?
yeah, there is no structure yet, and yeah, balancing algorithm and liquidation engines are in full control. So yeah, this looks not like a market, it's more like a battlefield. Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, yeah. Until liquidity stabilize, we should expect more volatility spikes. Since I checked the implied volatility and it's still high. So guys, a lot of people ask what should we do in moments like this. So educational part of the live session.
Yeah.
Let's give you some clear guidance, guys. First, as we say many times, reduce leverage immediately. Dimitro?
Yeah, yeah. If you're using high leverage right now, so you need to actually stop because it looks like more technical suicide. Markets like this punish every mistake. Second one is smart stop losses. So yeah,
Mhm.
your stop should not sit right below support or right above resistance. Those are obvious zones, and yeah, it can be like liquidity grab on yeah, liquidity hunters low those levels overall. And third one is wait for structural levels. I think Rafa can take a word for that.
Yeah, I agree with the structural levels. So, what I can say, never enter during a vertical crash. Let price hit real order blocks. Let structure form. Wait for confirmation candles. Do you have others educational tips, Dimitro?
Yeah, sure. And most important, I think, yeah, we should use serious tools because 90% of retail traders is using indicators that were never designed for real markets. So we need user proper platform, really risk management tools, and follow a method, not emotions. And we can say this is only one platform. Yeah, we have Altrady,
This
definitely
is
on
the only one
yeah,
uh, developed and designed for retail traders. So I
small
totally,
advertisement.
totally. I mean, this is our channel, so we have
Yeah.
to show the benefits and everything that Altrady can offer. Anyways, yeah, I agree with the tips. Thank you, Dimitro, for this educational part. I think we are done for today. Recap. We had some Bitcoin chart analysis. Also on altcoin, we showed the major events that happened this week. The Fed meeting with Wall Street banks. Tomorrow, big news. So, guys, will be a very, very intense trading day tomorrow. And what a week! Extremely intense, extremely violent, but being informed makes the difference. Dimitro?
Yeah, and if anyone has some question, yeah, drops it below. We will answer them in next week recap. And yeah, as always, if this video was helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and stay safe out there.
Nice, nice, nice. Well, have a great week, everyone. And as always, trade cautiously. So thanks, Dimitro. Thanks, everyone.
Yeah, thank you, Rafa. Bye bye, everyone.
Bye, guys. Thank you, Dimitro. Bye.